Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions without your wallet crying in the corner. Today, we have a battle of the skies, the Holy Stone HS720E and the Fokjank Brushless Motor Drone. Buckle up because this is going to be one heck of a flight. First up, let's talk about the price. The Holy Stone HS720E comes in at a cool $399. It's like buying a small used car, but without the wheels and the constant threat of breaking down. On the other hand, the Fokjank Brushless Motor Drone is priced at a wallet-friendly $119. That's like a fancy dinner for two or one really expensive pizza. So if you're looking for a drone that won't make your bank account weep, Fokjank might be your guy. Now, let's dive into camera quality. The Holy Stone HS720E boasts a 4K camera with electric image stabilization and a fancy Sony sensor. Reviewers say your videos will look like they were shot by Spielberg himself, even if you're just filming your dog in the backyard. Fokjank, on the other hand, has a 1080p HD camera with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. It's like the difference between a gourmet meal and a TV dinner. Sure, the Fokjank's camera gets the job done, but it might not win any Oscars. Flight stability and wind resistance, because nobody likes a wobbly drone. The Holy Stone HS720E has GPS location, auto return, and air optical flow and air pressure altitude control systems. Basically, it's like having a drone that's smarter than you. Fokjank, with its level 4 wind resistance, says, "Bring it on, breezy days." It can handle winds and still fly at 40 kilometers per hour. It's like a tiny, brave warrior battling the elements. But remember, it's still not invincible. It might just be a bit more wobbly than its pricier cousin. Flight time, because nobody wants their drone to be a one-minute wonder. The Holy Stone HS720E offers an impressive 46 minutes of flight time with its Fly More kit. That's enough time to film your entire neighborhood and still have battery left to spy on your neighbor's barbecue. Fokjank's flight time, well, let's just say you might want to keep that charger handy. It's not winning any marathon awards, but hey, it's got spirit. User-friendly features, because we're all just big kids playing with expensive toys. The Holy Stone HS720E offers Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes. It's like having a personal drone butler that does your bidding. Fokjank also has some neat tricks up its sleeve with one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, altitude hold, and even 3D flips. It's like the circus performer of drones, ready to dazzle you with its aerial acrobatics. Reviewers highlight that the Holy Stone HS720E is highly praised for its quality, stability, and advanced features, despite some minor issues with second-hand sales. On the other hand, the Fokjank Brushless Motor Drone is recognized for its affordability and decent performance, though it has had some reliability issues with a strong emphasis on excellent customer service. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS720E. The Rolls-Royce of drones with a price tag to match, versus the Fokjank Brushless Motor Drone, the budget-friendly, plucky underdog. Whether you want top-tier features or just a fun flying experience without breaking the bank, the choice is yours. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more crazy comparisons, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, buy smart.